This is Ian Lamont, publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides. I'm going to show you how to quickly redeem an Amazon gift card on Amazon.com. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video, and let's get started. So you may get a physical Amazon gift card for your birthday or a holiday or something like that, or you may receive an e-card, an Amazon e-card, and basically someone will send you a code that looks something like this via email. Here's how to redeem the code and add the balance to your Amazon balance so you can use it later to buy stuff. Go to Accounts and Lists and then type Account. You want gift cards. So on this page, there's two options. There's one that says reload your balance. Don't do that. Instead, click redeem a gift card. And that way, what you're going to do is you're going to either type or paste in the code. You don't have to put the dashes there, but in this particular case, I'm pasting, so the dashes are in there. Once I click apply to your balance, the amount, $50, will be applied to my current gift card balance, and that's how you do it. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.